Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Iru. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
What the heck?
We are here at the UW campus and we are looking for the cherry blossom since I have never been there. So we'll go ahead and check it out. Let's go upstairs. It's gonna be up here. You guys ready? Never seen it before? There are so many people out here right now. The weather right now, the temperature is like about almost 60 degrees right now. So not bad. I can see why a lot of people are, a whole bunch of people are out here today. But anyways, we are here for the cherry blossom trees. We're gonna find that area of the campus. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Got a nice Starbucks coffee out there. Have fun? Yeah, that is. Good? Is it good, mommy? Are you happy now? So if you guys not know, this is the Japanese cherry tree and it is called the, what do you call it in Japan? Sakura. So beautiful. I think my wife, she hasn't seen cherry blossom tree for such a long time. Every time, third week of March, they have the cherry blossom trees here at UW campus. And if you guys want to know more information, I'll put it down below. If you ever think about visiting Washington, go to Perfect Day, the third week of March. They have all this bloom, cherry blossom around the UW campus. So, all right, nakasita. Yes, guys, I made my wife so happy now. But we are hungry. Hope you're liking the video so far. Please don't forget to smash that like button and hit that notification. on this channel. And if you are new to this channel, let me introduce myself again. My name is Farhan. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll try to do my best to build some more content for you guys. And I want to thank all my viewers out there, and nice to know that actually people are watching my show here, my little video, and this type of build. My little workshop atmosphere here. And yeah.
A few moments later.
So update, and subframes are gone, already been uninstalled. Even the coilovers are out too as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up for a bit. All the suspensions, everything's out, and they're quite a bit dirty right now, but I'll be cleaning them for sure. There's some bolts that I really need to be cleaned up. And this is coming from the power brace, the Nismo power brace. And so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and put some anti-seize on them before we start doing the install properly. Yep, gotta take this too as well, clean those up, and we'll go ahead and get this started with step-by-steps on how to install your front subframe. Start with the front cross member. This will be easy to install with 2 washer nuts on each side, and I'll work my way through the rest step by step. Second step is this freshly painted Nismo power brace. This will have 3 bolts on each side. Next step is I'm going to be installing the front sway bar. As you may notice, these aren't the OEM design, so it's a little different to install them. Not all of these, but there are only 4 bolt screws involved to install the sway bar. These are for the front sway bar. As you can see, I'm actually upgrading on mine on the thicker bar. This is the stock right here, and this is the upgrade one that I'm doing. The difference, now the whole sway bar connects to one of the bolts that's linked to your power brace. So the power brace has this 2 bolts that goes here. And I already actually installed it. If you're using the stock bracket for the sway bar like this, and it could just pretty much just slide in just like that. So just loosen this up and just slide it in. But since I'm doing with this, it doesn't have the sliding thing right there. I could just maybe just cut it right here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take this out real quick and then just plug it in there. So let's see how this works. So it's a little time and effort on this, and as you can see, I'm not doing this with the lift or anything. So yeah, just bear with me, guys. are getting closer at the end of this tunnel. Now let's go install the front knuckles. Obviously this sway link is not going to work for our sway bar because I'm using the aftermarket one, and we'll just have to replace this sway link to a different one, which is actually we're going to be using this kind because the sway bar sits flat instead of sideways. The OEM goes sideways like that from here. The aftermarket sway bar that I have sits flat, so it's going to have to sit this way. And it's kind of like the same thing for the rear. So what I'll do, I'm going to go ahead and take this off and install this new one right here. So lastly that I need to install is basically this tension rods. To be quite honest, I don't like this. Just kind of using it for spare, and I'm gonna get something better. Looking at upgrading to SPL or something. Maybe just go with the Nismo. And I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you guys think is better? Should I go through with SPL or go with the Nismo and stay with the OEM style? Just for the show, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and it should be easy to be installed on the front lower control arms. So guys, if you guys are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, hit that notification, and it's only gonna get better because the weather is getting warmer, a lot warmer. So hoping to see you guys again in the next episode. Peace.